Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is bamboo cluster. First of all, let's understand the meaning of bamboo cluster. A bamboo cluster is defined as a geographic concentration, a city, town, few adjacent villages and their adjoining areas of units producing bamboo and facing common opportunities and threats. Now let's have a look at the importance of bamboo in India. Bamboo can be used in 1,500 different ways, including as food, as substitute for wood, building and construction material, for handicrafts and paper. Bamboo is part of rural livelihood in many countries, especially in developing countries like India. Due to its versatile nature and multiple uses, it is also called poor man's timber. Bamboo covers almost 13% of the total forest area in India. About 8.6 million people depend on bamboo for their livelihood. Now moving on to the initiatives to promote bamboo. Use of bamboo has been an ancient tradition in India, and it is now being supported with modern technology, and the youth is being provided with training for the bamboo industry. The Indian Forest Act 1927 was amended in 2017 to remove bamboo for the category of trees. The amendment removes bamboo as a tree from Section 2(7) of Indian Forest Act 1927, which would ease transit and felling restrictions on bamboo in private lands. Although the Act still has legal provisions which prohibits unauthorized extraction of bamboo from the forest and empowers forest departments to prosecute any person or agency found to be doing so. 10 most important species which are required by industry have been identified, and quality planting material is being made available to farmers for plantations. Apart from the existing farmer producer organizations or FPOs, 10,000 new FPOs will be formed in 5 years. Now let's discuss National Bamboo Mission. The restructured NBM was launched in 2018-19 for the holistic development of the complete value chain of the bamboo sector and is being implemented in a hub, industry and spoke model. It endeavors to upgrade skills of traditional bamboo craftsmen as per the requirement of contemporary markets with a tie-up with enterprises and premier institutes. The sector skill councils established under the National Skill Development Agency or NSDA will impart skills and recognition of prior learning to traditional artisans, encouraging the youth to carry forward their family traditions. Now moving on to the question for today. Consider the following statements. 1. It can be used in 1,500 different ways, including as food, a substitute for wood, building and construction material, for handicrafts and paper. 2. Due to its versatile nature and multiple uses, it is also called poor man's timber. 3. It covers almost 13% of the total forest area in India. The above statements describe which of the following? A. Bamboo, B. Palm, C. Teak, or D. Sal? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.